welcome to my YouTube channel Concept Clear. In today's class, we'll discuss about congestion control algorithms. Okay, in last class, we seen what is the congestion, what are the congestion control mechanisms. What is congestion? Congestion is nothing but what? When you are sending the data more than the capacity of the network, then there is a data will be struck, data will be jumps, then it is called conjunction. Okay, control is nothing but what, how we will clear the traffic jams or congestion jams, that is called congestion control. Again, here congestion controls are two types. The first one is preventing, that is nothing but open loop conjunction. The second one is the closed loop conjunction, that is nothing but after conjunction how we will remove the conjunction. This is the congestion control and techniques. Okay, now in this class we will see congestion control algorithms. Okay, what is meaning of congestion control algorithms? Here there are two type of congestion control algorithms here, two types. The first one is leaky bucket algorithm. Okay, leaky bucket algorithm. The second one is token bucket algorithm. Token bucket congestion control algorithm. Okay, it is the leaky bucket congestion control algorithm. This is the token leaky bucket, sorry, token congestion control algorithm. Here what is the first one is the leaky bucket algorithm. Okay, leaky bucket congestion control algorithm. Okay, here leaky bucket is the generally leaky bucket algorithm. Here what is the problem in bucket is leaky. Okay, see here, in what is the problem in leaky bucket is leaky. This is the bucket, this is the inner flow of the water into the bucket. Okay, we're pouring, it means we're pouring the water into the bucket like this, and this is the bucket. The bucket contains, at the top side there is a one small hole. This is the capacity of the bucket. Okay, this is the till now this is the capacity of the bucket. Okay, this is the bucket. Okay, this is the leaky bucket. Okay, here what is the flow? It is the flow is burst flow. Okay, what is the meaning of burst flow? Means the data is coming into the bucket like at a variable speed. Okay, the data is variable speed. And what is the hole here? Hole is small hole. So what is the data will be going outside? The going out data is fixed flow. It is the fixed flow or constant flow. It is a constant flow, data is going, but coming inside as what? The data inside is the variable speed. Okay, here we have a bucket. Assume that the bucket contains a small hole. Okay, and the top and we are pouring the water. That is nothing but either pouring or entering the water in through the tap into the bucket. A variable speed, that is nothing but variable speed. Okay, variable rate. Here downside of the bucket a small hole is there. Imagine a bucket with a small hole. No matter what the rate water is entering into the bucket, but the outflow is constant. Okay, outflow is the fixed speed. Okay, then suppose the bucket is full. What will happen? The bucket is full here. Then what will happen? Then incoming waters will be overflow. Okay, if the bucket is full, whatever the come after incoming water, that will be overflow. So that means what? Water will be wastage. If water coming constant rate as well as leaking the water is constant rate, then there is no problem. If the incoming water as well as the outgoing waters are both are same, then there is no leakage. Okay, here whenever the congestion is there, what the leaky bucket will do? It holds the packets and sends the, no matter how many packets is sending, but sends the one after one packet, then there is a no chance for leaking the water. With the help of this leaky bucket packet, burst traffic, it will convert as uniform traffic. That is nothing but constant traffic. Okay, this is the general leaky bucket. Now we will see one data packet, one network diagram. Okay, here it is the host computer. Assume that it is the host computer. Okay, he is sending the data speed some like 4 packets at a time. Sometimes he's sending the 3 packets. That is nothing but what? It is the packets. What is the speed here? Variable rate. We sending the packets are variable rate, and the packets are going to a bucket. Assume that it is the bucket. Here we have a bucket. Okay, here we have a bucket, and bucket has the hole. Okay, bucket has the hole. Hole contains what? The data will be leaks at constant rate. Okay, check here. This is the 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this is a constant rate. Okay, bucket leaking the packets are constant rate. Bucket leaks constant rate. Okay, and it is the network. Okay, it is the network. Okay, how the packet holding here, when the coming data is variable speed but outgoing speed is okay, leaking packets are leaking fixed. Okay, how it is variables? The same example where the incoming messages, incoming water is same as well as the outgoing water also same, then there is no issue. Okay, here the leaky bucket, this leaky bucket will be okay. What is the duty of the leaky bucket? This leaky bucket will be manages. Okay, the burst traffic will be convert as the uniform traffic, then it is nothing but constant traffic, then there is no chance for leaking the water. Okay, here what is the drawback of this leaky bucket algorithm is, when bucket is full, the water will be overflows. What is the general diagram for this leaky bucket algorithm is, here when sender send the packet, that is nothing but packet arrivals, packet is arrival, that packet will goes to leaky bucket algorithm. Here it is the bucket is full, then what has to do? Bucket is full means discard the message. Okay, if it is discard means what? The water will be overflow. Okay, if the bucket is not full, then the message will be processed to what? Every router has the queue. Okay, this is the queue. Okay, in this queue the starting messages are stored, remaining are empty. Okay, if the queue will be one message is processed, then removes one data packet from the queue, data packet discarded. Okay, and that packet will be processed and that will be dispatched to receiver. That will be dispatched to receiver. This is the way the leaky bucket will be controls the congestion. Okay, thank you everyone.